Hi, I'm Adam from YoYotta, and in this quick tip, I'll show you how to use the Include and Exclude filters in the Conform module. To follow along, you will need a copy of YoYotta with the Conform module installed. Let's get started. The Include and Exclude filters are part of the Conform module. They have been designed to allow you to filter the results of a conform in order to get the right matches. Let's take a look at how they work. I have the Conform window open and I'll drag in an EDL. I already have a suitable snapshot saved in the YoYotta database to conform against. If you do not know how to create snapshots, please watch the Restore From LTO Part 2 video in the Getting Started series. YoYotta will pass the EDL and look for matches against the selected snapshot. The Edits table will populate along with the Matched Shots table. If we look in the Match column of the Edits table, we will see there is a yellow question mark next to each event in the EDL. This indicates that we have wild or multiple matches for each shot. If we look at the summary at the bottom of the Conform window, it will tell us that we have 19 wild or multiple matches. This is the perfect situation to use the Include and Exclude filters to help filter the results. The Include and Exclude filters are situated just below the Matched Shots table and consist of two lines of identical filter boxes. One line for including results and one for excluding them. The first two filter boxes are for filtering by codec and resolution. These work by matching the text string in the corresponding field of the snapshot. The filter boxes are case insensitive, so there is no need to use capital letters. Let's use the Codec filter as an example. If we look at the Matched Shots table, we can see that we have 11 potential matches. If we look in the Codec column, we can see that we have various flavors of ProRes, DNxHD, DNxHR, and BRAW. Anything we see in this column, we can search for. So for instance, if I just wanted to see the clips that were ProRes, I could type ProRes into the Include Codec filter box and press Return. The Match Shots table updates to show just 5 matches that are ProRes. If I wanted to narrow the results down more, so I just saw the ProRes 444 clips, I could add 422 to the Exclude Codec filter box. The Matched Shots table updates to reflect the changes. I could also type ProRes 44 into the Include filter box to get the same result. However, the point I'm trying to make is that you can use any part of the text string that you can see in the corresponding Matched Shots table to search against. Let's look at another example. I'll clear the filters by pressing the X next to each one. This time I'll use the Resolution filter box to narrow down the selection. We recommend filtering by either the width, height, or both. I'll type 3840 into the Include Resolution field. The Match Shots table updates to reflect the changes. I'll clear the Include Resolution filter. In the next example, I want to exclude any matches that are 1920 wide by 1080 high. I'll type 1920 x 1080 into the Exclude Resolution filter box. Again, the table updates, but this time excludes any matches that are 1920 by 1080. The next filter along is Types. This uses the file extension in the name field to match against. You will need to type the whole extension for this to work. I'll reset the filters and type BRAW into the Include Type filter. The Matched Shots table updates to display only Blackmagic RAW clips. If I want to search for multiple types, I can comma separate the values in the filter box. I'll type BRAW, R3D. The Edits table and the Matched Shots table will update to show just R3D and BRAW clips. I'll reset the Types filter. Finally, we have the Path filter. This will search for text string matches in the Path field, which is displayed below the Matched Shots table. The Path filter is useful for including or excluding specific directories from a search. It is worth noting that file names are excluded from the results. Let's say we just want to include any clips that are in a specific folder. If we look at the path field for each entry in the Matched Shots table, we can see that each clip is in one of 4 folders, either 01OCN, O2 VFX pools, O3 offline media, or O4 feature film examples. If we just want to see matches against the OCN folder, we could type OCN into the path field. If we just wanted to see matches from the O2 VFX pools folder, we could type VFX or pull, and YoYotta would just include the clips from that specific folder. I'll type O1_OCN, and all of the clips in the edits table will show a match. You can also use any combination of the Include/Exclude filters to filter the matched shots as desired. Hopefully, you can see that these filters provide you with a lot of options for filtering multiple matches within the Conform module. Try experimenting with the filters on your own conforms, and I think you will be surprised at how flexible and useful these tools are.